Yet you turned back after this promise and warning. So, had there not been Allah's bounty and His mercy upon you, you would have been wrecked indeed. And, O Jews, certainly you know well those of you who violated the injunctions concerning the Sabbath, Saturday. So we said to them, be you apes, rejected and despised. So we made this event a lesson of warning for their contemporaries as well as later generations, and a source of admonition for the pious. And also recall, when Moses, said to his people, verily, Allah enjoins you to sacrifice a cow. They said, do you make fools of us? Moses, said, I seek the protection of Allah, against becoming one of the ignorant. Then, they said, pray for us to your Lord that He may make clear to us what kind of cow that shall be. Moses, said, certainly, He ordains that the cow is to be neither old nor young, heifer, but in between, fully grown. So now implement what you have been ordered.